let's head on to our next game, which is our game show. Okay, so let's put teacher here in our square. And let's put Jackson over here in our square. Okay, so Jackson, we are two people in our game show. And this is how it's going to work. Teacher is going to read each sentence. Here are the numbers over here. I will show you which sentence I'm going to read. Once teacher has read the sentence, I would like you to place the right number on each picture. Each number goes with the sentence number. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so actually,
Yes.
teacher would like you to read the sentences because we are going to work on our sentences today. So, can you read sentence number 1?
This animal is named after a sword.
Good job. Oh, yes, Jackson! Well done. Teacher will read number 2 for us. This animal has 8 legs known as tentacles. What animal has 8 legs known as tentacles? Oh, yes, Jackson! Well done.